Amber Portwood tried to mend her relationship with daughter Leah during the September 7th season premiere of Teen Mom OG. Season 10 of Teen Mom OG kicked off with a lot of drama on September 7th. Not only did Amber Portwood bash ex-Scary Shirley's wife Kristina during a late-night Instagram rant, but a pregnant Cheyenne Floyd threw some F-bombs while yelling at producers and demanded they stop filming her, following a heated argument with Zach Davis. It all started with Catelynn, Lowell and Tyler Baltierra wanting to find out the gender of their baby with an at-home test. Tyler told their producer that he really hoped the baby was a boy since they already welcomed 3 daughters together, but Catelynn didn't seem to have a preference. She just wanted to know the gender as soon as possible since they both take a really long time to pick out a name. Unfortunately for Tyler, the results showed they were expecting another girl, and he just said he'd have to accept the fact that he'll never have a son. Meanwhile, Mackenzie McKee went home to Oklahoma to surprise her dad. At first, she was just going to go solo, but then she decided to take husband Josh and their kids with her as an added bonus. Her dad seemed really happy to see everyone, but everyone's moods quickly changed after she found out that her dad is still struggling with depression. Fortunately, she and her siblings had a sit-down chat with their dad and told him they'd help him get back on track with his diet, exercise, and more. Related gallery. Teen Mom 2, pics. Later, Macy Bookout was forced to deal with the aftermath of husband Taylor McKinney and Larry Edwards' argument at last season's reunion and how it's currently affecting Bentley. Taylor apologized to Bentley for potentially making things awkward between him and Ryan Edwards' parents, but Ryan's parents later had a moment on camera, and when they talked to a producer, they said that things need to get better for Bentley's sake. They still feel as though Ryan isn't as bad as Macy and Taylor make him out to be, and they hope Bentley sees that one day. But Taylor and Macy later said that Ryan's parents are in complete denial of how terrible he's been as a father to Bentley. Amber also dealt with some family drama in the premiere. She hadn't spoken to daughter Leah in quite some time, and she felt as though her ex, Gary Shirley, and his wife, Kristina, were to blame. She told her mom that she felt they were putting ideas into her head that were possibly affecting their relationship. After several text messages to Leah went unanswered, Amber went on Instagram Live and bashed Kristina, calling her a whore and a homewrecker. Apparently, Amber feels Gary cheated on her with Kristina while she was in prison. And now, she feels she's being iced out of Leah's life. Finally, Cheyenne and Zach got into a major argument after a prenatal appointment. Because of COVID, Cheyenne had to go into the appointment alone, so Zach asked her to FaceTime him when it came time to hear the baby's heartbeat. He ended up going to the bathroom, and when he returned to the car, Cheyenne's producer told him that she already heard the baby's heartbeat. Zach didn't receive any calls from Cheyenne, so when she emerged from the doctor's office, they got into a major argument. Things got so heated that Cheyenne kicked Zach out of the car and made him find his own way back to her mom's house. Then, when he and the producer showed up on the front step, Cheyenne came outside and told everyone to stop filming. She even threw some F-bombs before running back inside and slamming the door. Want more drama? New episodes of Teen Mom OG air Tuesdays at 8 p.m. on MTV.